Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, well, I mean, it is another hair, hair review.
Well, you were thinking it.
She is.
But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. As you can see, I'm trying to get straight to it, okay? So I've had this gel for a good minute. This is the the Doux Big Poppa Popping Curls Notorious Definition Defining Gel, okay? Now, this is nothing new. I'm sure there are like many reviews of this gel. I've been asked to review this for some time, and I could not find it in my local Target, and so I finally lucked up on it. I think I did. It was either Target or Walmart, but I don't think it was Walmart. I think it was Target. Defines curls, fights frizz and humidity, touchable hold. No crunch or flaking for wash and goes, twist outs and braid outs. Now it does have babasu seed oil and keratin, okay? I'm really anxious about this. I didn't watch any reviews. I don't know what the consistency is looking like. I don't know nothing, okay? I think the Doux is Black owned. But if it is, I'll make mention maybe in the title or down below or something like that. You guys know, if you don't, that means you're not subscribed, sis. Hello. That means you're not subscribed. And that right there in itself is a problem. So go ahead. It's somewhere on the screen. Click it. Thank you. Welcome to the family. Oh, I like the smell. It's a the floral scent. It seems very faint, which you guys know I kind of prefer unless the smell is just amazing. I tend to go for faint smells or no scents, but I do kind of like a faint smell. Oh, it's a nice thick like texture to it. It is very nice when, oh, this is nice and thick. Okay, what it do? All right, so let's go ahead. My hair is still wet. I don't know how it's looking like on camera, but it is still pretty wet. Okay, let's go ahead and section that. Let me go ahead and take out a good, y'all know, heavy-handed. Second ingredient is glycerin, so be mindful if y'all don't like glycerin, this ain't for you. All right, so initial application, it doesn't have slip, so it is weighing thine hair down, huh? Come on. It is weighing thine hair. That's what I like. And it's defining, it's giving gel. It's giving gel. Shoot, y'all, I'm ordering groceries and forgotten Instacart. Lady probably try to talk to me. I don't even know if she on the way. What's happening? You can see the huge difference of the definition with the gel and then just my hair with no product on it. I love that for me. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have not been using my dimming brush for doing wash and goes. I just really enjoy unmanipulated curls, just like raking and smoothing. I just go through seasons, honestly. Depends on my hair. Well, my hair is shorter and it has more bouncy curls because there aren't like, it's been professionally cut. I tend to like the more defined curl look or whatever you want to call it. Or at least I did. It's been a minute. But my hair being longer and with it being more weighed down, I just like working with my natural curl and not manipulating it so much. I don't even really shingle, even though I'm shingling right now. I don't really shingle like my entire head. If you go look at my recent videos, I have not been doing that. I've just been raking and smoothing in the product. And even the wetter that your hair is, the application still really isn't giving slip. So if that's a deal breaker to you, like you've never tried this gel, be mindful of that. But for the most part, it's not really bothering me. It is defining every curl. It is giving shine.
What it does.
This is how one side of my hair is looking. This is my left side, which is my better side. Then this side is a little bit more looser.
Just gonna go ahead and scooch on in here real quick. Okay, so first things first, I am using a different lens that I have not used in a while because I only use it for photography. So I am going in and out of focus until I get, can get that together. I appreciate your patience. Secondly, okay, I do the same technique for every wash and go. So I have just been speeding it up recently, cutting certain things out because I feel like You see a couple sections, you've seen them all, but sometimes, you know, people want to see everything. So let me know also what works for y'all. If you like to see it slow down or sped up, because if I speed it up, it's going to be a shorter video, which I kind of prefer, you know, for my own viewing pleasure, but everyone is different. So let me know what you guys prefer down below. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Listen here. Hello. Listen here. Okay, I am not mad right now. Like, really, no complaints. No complaints at all. All right, so it's been maybe like an hour and a half. I am getting some frizz all up and through here. Not sure what you're seeing. If you saw my last vlog, I got this diffuser from Target. It's by Conair Infinity Pro. Don't get this.
Just gonna scooch on in here real quick. Don't get it because it does not give a lot of air. The diffuser really is whack. It's not so much the blow dryer, it's the diffuser. So just wanted to let y'all know.
This is how my hair is looking clearly after just diffusing. I did have to take off the diffuser. This product has a lot of glycerin in it. My hair is still damp and I've been trying to blow dry this mess for the longest. It actually feels really good to the touch, very hydrating, like you use maybe a custard, a jelly. It does not feel like I've used, like, you know, hardcore gel. So this part is a little damp. I'm gonna just go ahead and straighten. I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, do what I gotta do. Okay.
Just gonna scooch on in here again. I'm just playing. Go ahead and listen to music real quick.
Don't even think about calling me crazy. You know you picked that lady. Yeah. And when I turned and looked at you, you tried to play it off, but I could tell that you two were friends. But you was just too nervous.
Listen here. I like it. It's giving glycerin vibes. If you use products that has glycerin, you know what I'm talking about. You know, there is some stickiness to my hands. You can feel it in your hair, especially if you used a lot. The moisture level feels very amazing, very borderline custard and gel mix. You know what I mean? The only con that I can really think of is just the fact that it took my hair a long time to dry. And then there is some hold on the ends, but like I said, a very touchable hold. It's very soft, but you do have a hold there. Very touchable, very healthy feeling, very moisturized. It doesn't feel flaky and crunchy and like a wet line may come off. It feels like I used a really good moisturizer and then layered like a gel on top. So maybe that's a good way to describe. I don't know. Would I purchase this again? Absolutely. I like the product. It, to me, looks good. I love having alternatives to like my main gel, which is wet line. Again, I'll leave everything down below in the description box. All right, so day 3. Anyway, I try to come back on camera so you guys can kind of see how the product has, you know, held up when I try to remember. So I remember it this time. And I mean, I actually like the gel. I don't think it's bad. I've seen better results. Bottom line, my hair still looks okay. Like if I can shape it, I would shape it. But yeah, for the most part, no crunch. It actually feels pretty soft, pretty hydrated. You know, you do feel like the touchable hold, just like what it says. So again, 3rd day, not too bad. The smell has dissipated this side of my hair, which is like my troubled area. It did experience way more frizz, as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you know, it helped you. It helped you in some way. Okay, thank you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.